In this video, I'll share the phrases that a real man should never say to his partner. I hope you avoid these statements when dealing with a girl, as they can not only ruin your relationship but also drastically lower your status as a real man. 1. Never say, "Let's just see how it goes." When you say this to a girl, you appear to be a man without any life goals. When you decide to enter into a relationship with a girl, you should have a clear purpose. If you don't have one yet, it's better to postpone your desire to start a relationship because entering into one without a purpose is just a waste of time. Remember, time is the most valuable asset for a real man because time is money. If you don't have a goal in mind for the relationship, use your time to improve yourself. Exercise, work harder, and learn new skills. Saying, "Let's just see how it goes," makes you seem like a man who is not ready to be a leader. When you're in a relationship with a girl, you are expected to be the leader. This phrase also implies that you are not serious about the relationship and only want to have fun, which is not what a real man should do. 2. Never say, "Accept me as I am." This phrase makes you look like a man who can't grow. When you're in a relationship with a girl, you must be ready to upgrade yourself because you will be the leader, remember that. You can't be complacent with your past and refuse to change, especially by demanding that the girl accept your past as it is. The past should be a lesson for you to become better in the future. For example, if you decide to enter a relationship and can't afford to buy a house yet, don't ask the girl to accept that. Instead, strive to own a house in the future and commit to her that you will work hard to achieve it. This is the quality a real man needs to have, being brave enough to take on challenges, not just resigning to fate. 3. Never say, "Do what I want if you love me." This phrase usually comes from toxic guys with bad intentions towards a girl. Let me remind you again, hurting and harming a girl will bring bad karma to you. We need to agree on this. You should not enter into a relationship with a girl if your intention is only for physical pleasure. If you want something from her, use an elegant approach, not threats. For instance, if you want to ask her to marry you, show that you are genuinely ready for marriage. Work hard to be more stable. By doing this, the girl will eventually hint that she wants to marry you without you having to ask in a threatening way. Remember, ask for positive things from a girl, not negative things that can ruin both of your futures. In conclusion, there are 3 things a man should never say to his partner. First, never say, "Let's just see how it goes." Second, never say, "Accept me as I am." Third, never say, "Do what I want if you love me." I hope you find this helpful.